Best foods for hypothyroidism, and foods to avoid. What is the thyroid gland? It is a gland in front of the neck below the larynx and in front of the trachea, consisting of two lobes, each on one side of the trachea. The thyroid gland is responsible for making thyroid hormones. These hormones affect the function of almost all cells in the body. These hormones help the body repair cells and control growth and metabolism, all the chemical processes in the body that cause the organs to function normally. Feeling cold, tired, and overweight in people with hypothyroidism is caused by inefficient metabolism. Low metabolism is harmful to health in several ways. First, it makes you feel tired all the time. It raises your blood cholesterol level, and finally, it makes it difficult to achieve the desired weight. The definitive treatment for people with hypothyroidism is the use of drugs, and in general, the effect of foods on the symptoms of hypothyroidism is such that it can improve certain symptoms in patients. And vice versa, foods that aggravate the symptoms and disrupt the process of the effect of drugs, and should be eaten with caution. Nutrients for better thyroid function include iodine, selenium, and zinc, and foods rich in these nutrients have a positive effect on thyroid function. Please follow me till the end of the video for explaining some tips. Thank you. Foods suitable for the hypothyroidism. Foods containing selenium. Number 1. Nuts. In particular, we can mention the Brazilian nut. Number 2. Eggs, chicken, and turkey. Number 3. Tuna and trout. Number 4. Brown rice. Number 5. Shrimp. Foods that contain high levels of zinc include edible oysters, beef, chicken, dairy, pumpkin seeds, enriched cereals, foods containing iodine, eggs, iodized salt, seaweed, milk and cheese. Below foods should be consumed in moderation because they contain goitrogens. Goitrogens is a substance that causes thyroid dysfunction. Number 1. Soy-based foods such as soy milk and tofu. Number 2. Processed foods such as hot dogs, baking soda, donuts, fast food cookies. Number 3. Some fruits such as peaches, strawberries, and pears. Number 4. Drinks such as coffee, green tea, and alcohol. Caffeinated beverages may interfere with the absorption of thyroid medications, as well as the constant consumption of alcohol impairs thyroid function. Number 5. Cruciferous vegetables such as cabbage, kale, cauliflower, spinach, and broccoli. This green group will reduce the effect of goitrogens if cooked. Hints: take hypothyroidism drugs 45 minutes to 1 hour before breakfast to fully absorb them by your body. Excessive iodine intake could intensify the symptoms of hypothyroidism. The increasing protein in foods helps the patients with hypothyroidism to increase their body's metabolism.